Today we will see how to solve 64 raised to the power of 4 minus 16 raised to the power of 5 without using any calculator. Now observe the numbers. Here we have a 64 and here we have a 16. So these two are multiple by 4. So that's why you have to convert in terms of a fourth table. That is 4 raised to the power of 3 is 64. Isn't it? So let's take, instead of 64, I am going to write 4 raised to the power of 3, and in the exponent we have a 4. So you have to write whole raised to the power of 4 minus 16 also we can write in terms of 4, that is 4 raised to the power of 2 is 16. So write 4 raised to the power of 2 whole raised to the power of 5. Now it is in the form of a raised to the power of m whole raised to the power of n. We can write this as a raised to the power of m times n. Same like that we can write as 4 raised to the power of 3 times 4, which is 12. So just write 12 directly, minus 4 raised to the power of, we have m plus m times n, that is 2 times 5, which is 10. So just write 10. Now 4 raised to the power of 12 we can write in terms of 10, that is 4 raised to the power of 10 plus 2 minus 4 raised to the power of 10. So now 4 raised to the power of 10 plus 2, it is in the form of a raised to the power of m plus n. We can write this as a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. So we can write this as 4 raised to the power of 10 times 4 raised to the power of 2 minus 4 raised to the power of 10. Here we have a 4 raised to the power of 10 and here we have a 4 raised to the power of 10. So let's take it as common. Then we left 4 raised to the power of 2 minus 1. 4 raised to the power of 2 is nothing but 16. 16 minus 1, which gives 15. Now we need to find 4 raised to the power of 10 value. Then we do times 15. This 4 raised to the power of 10 we can write of 2 times 5. Now it is in the form of a raised to the power of m times n. We can write this as a raised to the power of m whole raised to the power of n. So we can write this as 4 raised to the power of 2 whole raised to the power of 5. 4 raised to the power of 2 is nothing but 16. 16 whole raised to the power of 5. In the exponent we have a 5. This 5 we can write as 2 plus 1. So that means it is in the form of a raised to the power of m plus n plus k. We can write it as a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n times a raised to the power of k. So when bases are same, we can add the exponents. We are using that property here. So we can write this as 16 raised to the power of 2 times 16 raised to the power of 2 times 16 raised to the power of 1 is nothing but 16 only. And we know that 16 raised to the power of 2, the value is 256, isn't it? Then 16 raised to the power of 2, the value is 256. Then do times 16. 256 times 256. So that is 256 whole raised to the power of 2, and do times 16. So now I am going to find the value of 256 whole raised to the power of 2 by using our matrix. Here let's consider this 25 as a tens digit and this 6 as a unit digit. So what is a square trick? First you have to square the tens digit, which we have 25. So 25 square is 25 square, we know that it is 625. So let's write 625. The next is you have to square the unit digit, which is 6. 6 square is 36. As a second step, you have to multiply all the numbers. What we have 25, and then we have 6, and we have 2. 25 times 6, which is 150. 150 times 2, which is 300. So just write 300. After adding all these numbers, then you will get 65536. That is the square of 256. So 256, the value is 65,536. And still we need to do times 16. After 1 we have a single digit 6. So that's why both sides you have to add one single 0 here. And then do multiply by 6. So 6 times 6 is 36 and add to the previous number. So 36 plus 0, which gives 36 only. So 6 write it here. Then 3 carry to the previous number. Now you have to multiply 6 times 3, which is 18. Now you have to add to the carry number 3 and the previous number 6. So 18 plus 6, 24. 24 plus 3, 27. So 7 write it here and 2 carry to the top of the 5. Now you have to do with 5. 6 times 5 is 30. For the 30, add the carry number and the previous number. 2 plus 3, 5. 30 plus 5, which gives 35. So 5 write it down and 3 carry to the top of the 5. Now you have to do 6 times 5 is 30. Then add the carry number 3 and the previous number 5. We will get 38. So 8 write it here and this remaining 3 carry on the top of the 6. Now 6 times 6 is 36. 36, add the carry number 3 and the previous number 5. So 3 plus 5, which is 8. So 36 plus 8, which is 44. So 4 added here, and the remaining 4 carry on the top of the 0. Now we have to multiply by 0. 6 times 0 is 0. 0, then the carry number is 4. The previous number is 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10. You just write 10. So if you multiply by 16, then you will get 1048576. So after doing the multiplication by 16, then you will get 1048576, isn't it? So this is the 4 raised to the power of 10 value. We found the 4 raised to the power of 10 value. Still we need to do times 15. This 15 we can write as 10 plus 5. If you multiply by each and individual term, we can get 10,48576 times 10, which gives 1048560. And then what we have 1048576 and multiply by 5. So here we can instead of 5 we can write 10 divided by 2, which is same as 5. So what you have to do, first you have to do times 10. After doing times 10, then you will get 104855760. Now you have to do divided by 2. So we can easily do the divided by 2, that is 5, and this is 2, and here 4, and here 2, the remaining 1 here, then do with 8, 16, then remainder is 1, so again do with 8, then 0. So what we got 5242,880. After adding, then you will get 15728,640. This is the result of 64 whole raised to the power of 4 minus 16 raised to the power of 5. So here, without using any calculator, we found the value of this. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel and give your valuable support to me. Thank you for watching.